guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another unboxing video, and we are going to unbox the Black Box Beauty Box edition by Lookfantastic. The day that I'm filming this unboxing is it exactly on Black Friday. And by the way, if you are wondering why I'm wearing this bright look, I want to tell you that I was just playing with makeup. I wanted to have a makeup look that it will work with a red lipstick because I'm wearing this red sweater, but I got carried away by the wave. I was using this eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. Is it called Weekend Festival, and I even don't remember when I have done this bright pink golden lid kind of the look. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you enjoy the content of this video, it will be really great if you will do it, and I would like to thank you in advance for that. Before we are starting, I want to give you some details about this Black Box edition, the Black Friday edit by Lookfantastic. The box, it is available on Lookfantastic website. It is of course a special edition. It retails for £25, but if you are subscribed to the Lookfantastic Beauty Box, then you get £5 off. However, it was for me like a even Steven because I had to pay for the shipping. The new feature of Lookfantastic is that now they are charging for shipping, so it's around £5 no matter the amount that you are purchasing. So it cost me £25 including shipping, and I believe it is shipped worldwide. The content of the box has a value over £120, and I believe there are around 8-10 products inside. You are able to see on their website what are the products that will be included on this box, so this is not a mystery box. And if you want other information, I will link everything down in the description box below. First of all, I want to tell you that I really love this packaging, this black and a bit marble golden type of the print. Inside you have this wrapping paper, and here you have the seal, which is has the hashtag, LB Black Friday, which is really pretty, and even the paper is more shiny. And this is what we've got inside. I'm surprised there is no leaflet. So the weight is over LB Black Friday. This is what is written on the lid of the box, in case that I forgot to show you. I've pulled aside my laptop with the information about the box. And I'm gonna read you from here. Let's see what we have inside. First product is a Charcoal Detox Instant Facial Mask by the brand Ceulista Beauty Charcoal Mask. So I love the outer packaging. It's a nice and purple shade, and you are supposed to use this for 20 minutes. Works in 20 minutes. It's mentioned here. Okay, so I'm always excited when I'm getting a sheet mask, and I've checked in my drawers. It looks like I'm out of any face mask. I think I have something left, just a little tiny bit from Glam Glow, but other than that I don't have any regular cream or mud or whatever type of a mask in my home, excepting few sheet masks. So someone needs to go to shopping to get some mask, because now the winter time is the time when I'm mostly using facial masks. So until I will do that, I will start using my sheet masks. The next product is by Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter, and you can get it in shade Celestial or Solstice. Mine is in Solstice, but I love the packaging, and I don't think so that I have some highlighter from Ciate. Oops. Ooh, the packaging is adorable. Look at this box with some embossed, not embossed, but yeah, stars or snowflakes. And with this bow, it's perfect. And here you have the shade name. Okay, the packaging is really shiny and it reflects on my ring light and on the studio light. Ooh, he's so pink. And you have stars, embossed stars. I think now you're able to see them, yeah. But the actual shade, I think it might be too pink for me. So, I don't know about that. Maybe I will use it as a eyeshadow, or I will make a nice present to one of my friends who won't mind that I swatch my finger. The next product is by Quidco London, and it's a travel size of their I Do liquid eyeliner in shade black, I suppose. I have another normal size, regular size of this liquid liner from Quidco, and I want to say that is not my favorite type of a liner. It has a felt tip applicator. I won't swatch it, so I don't like so much the felt tip applicator, but the actual pigmentation is quite good. Next product is another Luxie brush. It's so soft and I love the handle. So this is number 504 Luxie and is large angled brush. So there you have it. Okay, for me this is not that large, but maybe is it to the fact that it was sitting compact, it was kept hold on this plastic, so once you wash it maybe it will become a bit more fluffy. The retail price for this is £10.99. So yeah, really pretty, and I'm always happy when I add some new brush, especially pretty brush, to my collection. It's really soft. I love it. And I love the fact that Lookfantastic is starting to put more brushes on their boxes. What is this? This is so pretty. Okay, so this is by Hangover, and this is a hair elixir with Irish whiskey for unreal shine. We are Paradox, and you do get here 15 mils. So we are Paradox Hangover Hair Elixir retails for £10. So £10 for 15 mils of a product. Oh, now I realize that this is actually a keychain. So you can wear it with you and you can touch up your hair on the go if you feel that you need to add some more shine on the way. So I think this is genius. The actual scent, it's really pretty, and yeah, I don't know if you are able to see, but it's something shiny. Okay, my hair is just washed and I haven't used any oil because I was doing that treatment that requires no other products. So what do you think, guys, about the shine? I'm not able to see because the light is reflecting onto my eyes, so I don't know. But for sure, I love the actual fragrance. I wouldn't believe that I could like this kind of baby, but this is really pretty, and for sure I will take it with me on my bag. I will not use it for my keychain, but I will use it just for fun. Next up is a product that drew me into purchasing this beauty box. So this is by Eve Lom, and this is their cleanser, Eve Lom cleanser and cloth, worth £10, but you only get here 8 mils, so it's really tiny. And I do have another cloth from them, from another cleanser they gave us. We were usually getting 15 mils on previous boxes, but yeah, 8 mils is still something than anything, so this is really good. It's the best cleanser I could find for my liking. I feel that this alone removes everything, all impurities, waterproof liner, even waterproof mascara. I don't have waterproof mascara right now. I have worn in the past, and I remember that this was able to do it, and you don't get so many residues, especially when you are wearing so much makeup, so much black makeup. After you remove and wash your face, you have here, you look like a panda. You need to go second time with a Q-tip and clean that area. With this, somehow it melts everything and it's rinsed off without any problem. So this is the reason that I love so much this cleanser by Eve Lom. Next up we have Crystal Clear 10 Minutes Glow. I suppose this is a mask. Stunning skin in just 10 minutes. This amazing peel-off mask leaves your skin radiant and hydrated with a glow that lasts. So finally I'm getting a mask, because I don't have a mask. I was just complaining that I have used all my masks. So, direction: after cleansing, apply a thin layer of a mask onto dry skin. Leave for 10 minutes, then gently remove by pulling the edges from the chin area in upward and outward motions. Rinse thoroughly with water to remove any residue before patting the skin dry. For optimum results, use once a week. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this. So we get here 25 mils. I suppose you can get 3-4 decent usage or even more, depending on the actual consistency of the mask, so how much you need to apply to have a even layer. The next product is by Pixi by Petra, Shea Butter Lip Balm. This retails for £8 and is it in the shade Scarlet Sorbet. I suppose this is a tinted balm. This is the kind of packaging that doesn't want to cope. This is nice. I love the packaging. So the scent is some sweet vanilla, I think. Oh yeah, and it's tinted, quite tinted, but it's a nice shade, and I think it would have matched my sweater. So this is just FYI. Yeah, so I love it, and probably I will put it on my purse to use it on the touch-ups. Okay, the next product I think is a full size, and is it by Now Bay Natural and Organic Body Radiance Lotion. You get here 250 mils, and this product retails for £9. Okay, we don't get any other information, but this cap is actually a wooden one, so it's lightweight, and I sense some ginger type of fragrance, but it's really hydrating, makes my hand soft. So definitely I will put it in my rotation really soon, because my Aphrodite body butter, which I'm currently using, it's almost to the finish. So yeah, I'm really chuffed for this. And the last product is it by the Dr. Dennis Gross. Stay here. Exfoliator Alpha Beta Exfoliating Moisturizer. How come exfoliating moisturizer? This is interesting. how much. So it's half of ounce or 15 mils. But I heard really good things about Dr. Dennis Gross. The scent, it's rather really light, and it's whitish, a bit liquidy. Okay, I will not dip my fingers inside because this is a actual cream, so anyway I open it, so I should use it within 12 months after opening, so probably I will use it as soon as possible because I just opened it. So yeah, I'm really excited to try something from Dr. Dennis Gross because I know their products are quite expensive. This was our last product. I will just tell you how many products were full size because I think we have quite a lot. So we have the mask is for sure full size, the brush, lip balm, body butter, and the highlighter. So 5 products are full size and 5 they are deluxe size or travel size products, so not bad. So considering the fact that I paid only £25 for this box and I've got the value over 120 or so, I'm quite chuffed for the entire value of this box. I also purchased this box last year. I think it's a tradition for Lookfantastic to release every year, every Black Friday, a special edition beauty box, and I feel this year edition is even better, so maybe it's more suitable for my taste. So yeah, that's all for today. Let me know in your comments down below if you are interested to purchase this box or if you have already purchased it, and what do you think about the products inside. Do you think they worth the actual price of the box? They are interesting, exciting for you? So yeah, please let me know all these details on the description box below. But other than that, I hope you'll have a wonderful Black Friday shopping and also nice beautiful weekend after Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed with your family and had a great time. I hope I'll be able to edit this video and post it today. If not today, tomorrow for sure it will be up. But other than that, be blessed, be beautiful. I will see you again really soon.